Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw outlines for eyes and shading too. This is not going to be in a hyperrealism or anything. This is just for beginners. So already I have made several tutorials and I have drawn a lot of eyes like this and this, but I had never shown you how to draw the outlines. So today I'm going to do that, and for that I'm going to use this 0.5 mechanical pencil. This is a cheap pencil, you can afford it easily, and I'm going to draw the outlines with that. First take a ruler and draw a straight line, then draw a rectangular box or rectangle box, what is it, anything, rectangle box. First of all, mark the length for that and draw a rectangle box above that. Erase the excess line, and that is going to be the main form for your eye. First draw an arc from the bottom of left side to the upper side of the right. It's like an arc, so this is going to be the upper lid for you. Before that, divide the total or the whole rectangle into two, so you could get your erase in the center. Here we go friends, you can follow this tutorial right here. Friends, if you find hard to follow this video, just pause the video and draw it and again play it, so you could be so clear with this outline. So this is a basic format for an eye. I'm just drawing the iris right now in the center. It is like a circle sliced out by the upper lid, and draw the pupil at the center of the eye. It may be very depends upon the subject look or the subject sight, but I'm drawing an eye from my imagination or anything, so it's just eye which looking straight forward, so the iris or the eye pupil want to be in the middle. You can see that actually highlights are very important for realistic drawings. I'm drawing just a stroke or the outlines for the highlights right now. Later I'll be adding some details to highlights by using an white jelly roll pen. Obviously I'm not having the jelly roll pen, I'm having a local white gel pen. I don't know what is it. You can just mark or draw the eyebrows as you want. I'm just drawing a very simple eyebrows because I'm making this tutorial for beginners, so it won't be so easy to follow and to draw. Here we go friends, this is the outline, and I'm going to erase all the reference lines which I have drawn, and I'm going to make this outlines lighter by using an kneadable eraser. Then grab your HB pencil and right there start your outlines and start shading it with a base layer of HB pencil. I'm using an HB pencil because that is the lightest grade pencil which I'm having. If you have any H or 2H, you can use that. You don't want all the grades of pencils right now for this drawing. You want an HB, 2B and then 8B, that's it. If you have those three pencils, you are ready to go. Here we go friends, I'm drawing the pupil right now, and the iris I'm darkening the sides, so it want to be realistic and it want a light in it, so we can give the life to an eye in the drawing. I'm not a guy who knows any poetic lines and all to say, but this could be a better explanation from me. I'm using a white gel pen for drawing highlights, and above that I'm adding a HB layer by using that 0.5 mechanical pencil, because by using a mechanical pencil you might achieve the pinpoint results or accurate results right there. Next, here we go, I'm just completed the iris right now, and I'm shading the eyeball. Just use an HB pencil for that because it is white in color but not fully white, it has some details. If you are drawing with colors, you might use yellow or any greenish colors. Here I'm using an HB for the lightest layer, and I'm using a blending stump for blending. For bigger areas I will use dry brush for blending, and I'll use paper stump for small areas. You can see here I'm drawing the skin right now. Then add the next layer with a 2B pencil. I'm using a smooth paper. It is a white cartridge paper. This is very similar to the normal paper, but it is 150 GSM. I have posted already a video about what paper do I use for my drawings. If you not yet checked, the link is in cards, you can check it. Friends, I am going to start posting tutorials on colors on upcoming weeks. So hope you finding well in drawings and graphites. I'll be posting some graphite tutorials too in the middle, but I'm going to start posting tutorials on colors too. So for that I need some topics. If you have any topic for that, just leave in the comment section so I could see it, and hope the next tutorial might be that. And friends, we are nearing to the 800, and show your support as like the same, and share with your friends who are interested to drawing and to see the artworks, so our family may get a huge support from you guys, because you are the guys who are supporting me in each and every videos, and I wanted to develop and to increase my family count. Yeah, obviously you are not subscribers for me, you are my second family, because I'm an introvert guy and I didn't have a lot of friends in all the places. I'm just having a quite sum of friends in my class, in my college and in my schools, but I need a huge friends here. So you can help for that. Just share this video and like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe and tap the bell icon so you get a notification for my every videos. Here we go friends, this is the completed drawing, and hope you find something new in this drawing. And if you're not yet clear with this drawing, just watch this again so you get a clearance in this drawing. And that's it friends. So if you have any suggestions in this video, just leave in the comment so I could see it. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching friends. See you and